Are companies putting metal iron in our food? Yes. When it says iron, 12 milligrams right there, they mean iron. TP. Now, videos like this one had been trending for a couple of months since last year. And as you can see, if you were to grind up cereal or any other food really, which has iron in it, and you have a strong magnet, and then you put it on that, you will be able to extract some of that iron, and it will look something like this.
For baby's oatmeal, and as you can see, there are tons of little shards of metal inside of the oatmeal.
Now, are these companies trying to hurt you? No, it's because you need the iron. The reason why your blood is red is the same reason why Himalayan salt is pink, and the reason why rust appears to be reddish brown. Now, that's all because of iron. So why is iron important? Iron is needed in your blood on the hemoglobin molecule. Now, the reason for this is because iron binds very well with oxygen. Now, when you take a breath, air goes into your lungs. But in that air, it's not only oxygen, there's also nitrogen and other gases. But the one that will bind to the iron is oxygen, because the two have a good relationship of binding to each other. Now imagine the lungs as an airport and the cell as the party. So now oxygen is like a passenger who's being picked up from the airport and needs to be taken to the party. So oxygen comes into the car, sits right next to iron. Iron takes oxygen to the party. But when they get to the party, oxygen is no longer interested in being around iron. It's like, hey, you gave me a lift here. Why do I need to be with you? I'm already seeing other interesting individuals in this party. So oxygen leaves iron and goes into the party. And now while iron is there, there's carbon dioxide that is saying, I've had enough of this party. I want to go home. Can I hitch a ride with you? And then iron says, yeah, come in, but sits in the back seat. The reason is because carbon dioxide doesn't bind exactly on the iron. It binds in a different spot, but on the same hemoglobin. Then iron and that hemoglobin takes carbon dioxide back to the lungs, which is like an airport, and then says, off you go, I'll see you later. That's when you breathe out. And then after that, now, hemoglobin doesn't have a passenger. That's when you breathe in. And oxygen comes in and say, hey, do you have a space for me? Can I jump into your ride and go to the party? I'm going to the party that is happening in the cell. And iron says, oh, come along. Oxygen gets in, hemoglobin takes it to the cell where the party is. When it gets there, oxygen does what it does best. It says, I'm no longer interested in you. There are more individuals here that I'm more attracted to. So goodbye, I'll see you. And then it leaves. So now you understand why iron is important and the fact that it's really, really iron. TP. So the next time you see iron there on your box, just know that they're talking about the real iron. Now, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe.